Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use a round brush for a middle part. First, ensure your hair is 80% dry after washing. This prevents heat damage and allows for better styling control. Next, choose a round brush with a 1.5 to 2-inch barrel, perfect for creating volume and a smooth finish. Finally, apply a generous amount of heat protectant and volumizing mousse to your damp hair, distributing it evenly from roots to ends. Now, let's talk about precise sectioning. Begin by using a fine-tooth comb to create a perfectly straight middle part, extending it all the way to your crown. Then, divide your hair into 3 or 4 horizontal sections, starting from the nape of your neck. Secure the upper sections with clips. Remember, each section should be no wider than your round brush, ensuring consistent heat application and optimal styling results for a flawless finish. Here's the core technique for round brushing. Take a small section of hair and place your round brush at the roots, pulling it taut. Direct your hairdryer nozzle downwards, following the brush as you slowly glide it through the hair. Rotate the brush slightly to create tension, which smooths the hair cuticle and adds shine. For extra root lift, gently pull the brush upwards and hold the heat for a few seconds before releasing. To finish and set your beautiful middle part, use the Cool Shot button on your hairdryer immediately after drying each section. This locks in the style and adds incredible shine. Allow your hair to cool completely before touching or manipulating it further, which helps maintain the volume and shape. Finally, apply a light hold hairspray or a pea-sized amount of smoothing serum to tame any flyaways and ensure your perfectly styled middle part lasts all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.